Alright guys, so here's what the garden looks like. It's Thursday, April 27th at 6:50. You can see we have the garlic growing. Looks pretty good. Got a little bit of a sage bush there. Just fertilized the garlic and the onions. And here's the rutabaga that I left in over the winter. It actually looks pretty good. And surprisingly, I didn't know if oregano would survive the winter. And look at that. Looks pretty damn good. So, I am growing onions. Take this off so I can show you the onions. And there's another oregano. So these are just the white onions that I planted. That one's a little flat. Hopefully it perks back up. But yeah, I'm using this cloth to keep all the rabbits and the squirrels from digging up these freshly planted onions. And the wine bottles to keep the tarp off, crushing them. But yeah, these onions are looking pretty good. Just put some fish fertilizer. Musky is what's on the bottle. It's got high nitrogen. But yeah, so there's that. I don't know, I didn't count, so there's quite a few onions. They all look pretty good. I just need them to take root. Planted them yesterday. But yeah, that's that. I don't like how that sits like that, so I think I'll take a wine bottle. Put it like, if I can. Wow, that's hard ground right there. It's pretty close to that onion. Maybe put it like right there. I'll move it once the onions really start to grow.